welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, girl. So I got y'all all close up in my grill because we about to kick off a skincare Sunday. So I'm excited to do this because I'm just as obsessed with skincare as I am with hair care. Because I mean, for one, like, I'm getting older, and who wants to look their age? Not me. I don't. Do you? I ain't think so, girl. When you have good skin, you just feel good, you look good, you don't always want to wear makeup. You know, sometimes you just want to go out and have that natural glow, that natural good skin, you know what I'm saying? So skincare is important, and plus, if you putting on a whole bunch of makeup on top of bad skin, your face is looking like a whole back of a Nestle Crunch bar. That ain't cute, boo. And that ain't no shade. Mama is here to help y'all. Mama is here to show y'all the way, honey. Show y'all what I do, what I use. And hopefully, I can help somebody out there get their skin game popping, okay? On my community page, I asked y'all, I said, we're definitely kicking it off with a black-owned brand. Do y'all want me to do one brand black-owned or a mix of brands black-owned? And y'all picked a mix of brands black-owned, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just using the black-owned brands that I already have. I've been ordering things, but with Rona, girl, the shipping just takes like 2 and 3, 4, 5, 8 weeks, and I'm like, girl, like, I just want the world to go back to normal when I get my tracking number within 48 hours and then my package within 48 to 72 hours after that. And that's still too long because I'm outside. Like, another reason why I got y'all all up in my grill is because, like, who this? Like, who you? What are you doing here? You don't live here. This up here, what's going on here? Like, I don't know you like that. What you want? So it's definitely time to do a good skincare routine. Now we're going to do like probably like a nighttime skincare routine because it's like a little more steps or whatever. So I like to sometimes steam my face before I cleanse and while I'm cleansing because it really opens up my pores so that I can get all that gunk out, especially when I'm dealing with, I almost called her out her name, okay? Especially when I'm dealing with stuff like this. Like, okay, so it's steaming now, and usually I just let it steam for a good probably 5 minutes before I start cleansing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this steam and show y'all the cleanser that we're gonna use today. So today we're gonna use this Blemish Be Gone by Ancient Cosmetics. It's for dark spots and breakouts and hyperpigmentation. So this is what it looks like. I like this. This is like a charcoal based cleanser. And it's not too harsh. I do like it, and I like to use this at nighttime after I've been out all day, pollution all over. You know, you just been out in the elements and people talking all on top of you. Like, you know, you just want to get all that stank off you, you know. This is another reason why I like steaming, because your pores really open up and then you really start to see stuff come to the surface. Like, that wasn't there when we was talking earlier. Who that? Who it at? I don't know. Okay, so let's get into the cleanser. This is how the cleanser looks. And I'm just going to rub it into my skin. It's not super lathery, but I'm using a lot. So, okay, so now I'm going to take my Towel Clean facial brush. And you don't even have to press in with this. Like, it does all the work. So I rinse my face off with lukewarm water. I never use washcloths or anything. So I always just use my hands and my tools. I don't dry my face off with anything. I let it air dry when it's time for it to dry. But right now we're going to go into exfoliating. And we're going to use this green tea and honey facial scrub from Leora. I really like this brand as well. Like, she has some really good products that have been really effective and moisturizing. And I really like her products. So this is what the scrub looks like, and I am just going to go ahead and start to rub that sugar scrub on my face. Yeah, I want y'all to make sure y'all tell me what black owned skincare brands y'all really like, or black owned skincare products y'all like, because like I said, I do have more stuff black owned coming and on the way to me, but I want to know what you guys like, what you guys been enjoying. This mask I really like as a physical exfoliator. It's a nice sugar scrub. If you don't like anything rough, this one is like a medium type of roughness, I would say. It's not super gentle, but it's not super rough either. And definitely scrub this hussy over here. Get them crusty lips, girl. So my face feels so good after using that. Like, it feels good, it feels moisturized, it feels so refreshed after that scrub. Like, I feel like I just got all of the gunk out. So now I'm gonna go in with a mask, and we're gonna use this 100% organic Conceal face powder from Beauty of the Horn. So this is what it looks like. This mask, I love it. I had never heard of this ingredient. It's from East Africa, and it's good for, you know, clearing up acne, blemishes, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and things like that. And I really enjoy it. And when I'm having problems like this, this is one of the masks that I pull out. So I have it already like mixed up, and I just mix mine up with water. And this mask is definitely a different consistency from any other mask that I have or have used. So normally, you know how you would like spread your mask on? Well, this one is not like a spread mask. This is like a mask that you kind of like tap on so that you can get it on your skin and make it sit kind of where you want it to sit. So that was definitely different from what I had ever experienced with a mask before. Now, if you put a really thin layer of this on, then you'll get that drying effect, but I don't ever put a really thin layer of anything on. So it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, this is not a super drying mask. Of course, I did apply quite a bit of it. You don't have to apply as much as I did, but you can see some of the areas where it was like thinner that it is drying. So if you use a really thin layer, you will have that drying effect. So I washed off the mask, and my skin feels so soft and supple. It just feels really, really good. And I usually rinse my mask off in cool water to kind of close my pores off. So that's what I did. So now I'm going to go in with this Rosewater Beauty Toner from Leora. Super, super simple ingredients, gentle, and it smells good. So I just take my little cotton pad here, put some of that on there, and just sweep my face upward. So since I used an exfoliating scrub today, I'm not using an exfoliating toner, just a moisturizing toner. Now I'm going to go in with a serum, which is the Dark Spot Eraser from the Butter Bar. This is what it looks like. And this is like in a roll-on form. Now it is a dark spot eraser, so you can just put it on any dark spots that you have. But I usually just kind of like roll it kind of all over. It definitely smells like turmeric for sure. And when I put that on, and then I just kind of go around and press it in so that when this thing clears up, there is no mark. Or if it is a mark, it goes away pretty quick. And for any other marks that I might have, this will help it go away pretty fast. So now I'm going to go in with this serum from Beautified Skin. I really, really like this serum. It's a nice, simple, moisturizing skin serum. Now, if you are the type of person that you don't really like a whole lot of stuff on your face, you like have oily skin and you don't like putting a lot of products on, or you just like a simple skincare routine, or, you know, maybe at night you get, you know, sweaty, you don't want a whole bunch of stuff on, you can stop right here after this. So this is like a milky type of serum, and it's also their clean and clear serum. So it also helps with dark marks, fighting acne, all of that stuff, as well as moisturize. So I just put this on like that. And then just kind of work it in. And once it is in, it is in. That's also a good moisturizer, like if you want to wear it in the daytime because you don't want to have a lot of stuff on your face because it's so hot outside. So that's a good moisturizing serum for that as well. So you could stop right there as far as your serums and moisturizers go, and then put your sunscreen on in the daytime. So next, I'm going to go in with this Illuminating Glow Serum by Leora. I really, 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 really like this product, especially like in the daytime, but I wear it at night sometimes too. But I really, really like this serum. It is so good, so moisturizing, and definitely gives you a cute little glow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that in. Y'all see that? Y'all see that little glow there, don't ya? Yes, ma'am. So make sure you bring everything that you're using down your neck, going an upward motion. Okay, so let's go in with our moisturizer, which today we're going to use the Even Skin Hyperpigmentation Face Cream with turmeric oil, lemon oil, and shea butter by Ancient Cosmetics. So this is more of a shea butter base. Well, it is shea butter base with the lemon oil and turmeric. So this is a thicker moisturizer, and I like it because all that moisture that I just put on my face, this is going to help lock it in, and that turmeric oil and that lemon oil is going to help with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It has a nice citrusy smell, and I really like it. So we're going to go in with this facial hydration oil serum by Leora. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to take the dropper. That was probably too much, but who gonna check me, boo? It smells so good, so clean and soft, like a soft, clean smell. Look at that glow. Look at that, y'all. Come through, glazed Christmas ham. Okay, so now it's time for eye cream, and we're going in with this Wosa's coffee eye butter. I really like this eye butter because it is caffeine in it and anti-inflammatory, so it depuffs your eyes and keep them nice and moisturized. And this is what it looks like. It smells so freaking good. I don't even like coffee. I don't even drink coffee. It give me the runs, honey. I'm a tea drinker, but this smells so good, just like some good coffee, and I love it. So I just take a little bit like that on my nail and put it right up under my eyes. I don't have any problem with it irritating my eyes at all. You can use a little, you can use a lot. Just make sure you use it, okay? Now, of course, you can stop right there. But a lot of us also like to use a sleeping mask. So if you like to use a sleeping mask, then this one is from the Butter Bar, and this is their Cucumber Melon Overnight Hydrating Jelly Mask. Now you can use this as your moisturizer, so you don't even have to use like this thicker shea butter based moisturizer if you're the type that doesn't like a thick moisturizer. You can use this as your lightweight moisturizer. This is the jelly mask. This is what it looks like. It's really, you know, like watery, honey. But you can take this jelly mask and put that right on top of everything, and it will soak right in and make sure you are bomb and glowing in the morning when you wake up, sis. So there you go with that, and we are still glowing, we still popping, we still looking like a glazed Christmas ham. I don't have any black owned lip balms, so I would just take this shea butter and just take a little bit of that and put that on my lips, because we ain't going to bed or nowhere else with no crusty lips. Not these ones, honey, because these is too big to be walking around looking like Ashy Larry. We ain't finna do it. So that was our black owned skincare routine, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you look like a beautiful Christmas glazed ham like me. And I will see y'all for the next Skincare Sunday. Bye.